What the fuck are you about to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. Know what you sweater, you not in the way. Nothing you do but create my day.
Damn. Right here inside the porch, just looking at the rain and all that stuff. Damn. It's raining hard, the trees going. Look at that. Oh god. Okay, now it's blowing hard. I see Philly TV, mom, my dog, not my dog, but you know, friend. So yeah. Over here just waiting for the storm to be over and stuff. Kind of cloudy over there. You can see like the mist and stuff like that. So yeah. God damn. Damn. Oh god. You always scared me, surprised me. Try to see what's gonna. I don't see nothing much. The stop sign is like. God damn. What? No, the stop sign is trying to stay still, but can't. So yeah, the wind calmed down. So basically, Mother Nature is bipolar. Cause look, the wind stopped raging, and then it's still raining. Still raining. Up, there goes the wind. It sounds like the wind is picking up and then going back down, up, down. Man, this pipe bipolar, Mother Nature and stuff. Ugh. Nyla, hi. Hey, Nyla, sit. Hey, Nyla, what's up? So yeah. What are we gonna eat? What's there? What's there? What's to eat? Spaghetti? I don't eat spaghetti. So yeah, this is us outside. We're gonna go back inside right now. Alright, be right back. I'm back outside. Look like it's clearing up from previous. It look like it's clearing up. So yeah. So basically it's less cloudy, a little bit less rain, and what happened? Video? Alright. But there's a lot of leaves everywhere and stuff like that. While I was here, I don't see nothing flying at each other. Man, that's sad. If you heard that, that was Philly TV saying that he's fine. Wow, somebody else is outside checking out their glass. Because they put duct tape since they don't have boards and stuff like that. So yeah. So basically nothing much is happening. Just that the sky is a little bit clear. Less cloudy. I could probably walk to my house, which is like right there. And stuff like that. So yeah, later. Rated XZ is out. Alright, I'm not necessarily done with this video. But all of a sudden, the cactus right there falls. So yeah, it seems like the wind is too strong for its root. So yeah, and over there you go to see like almost flooded. Oh god, can't wait. Oh god, I'm gonna show you guys what happened to my house. Ooh, about the pool and stuff. Dang. Oh, I forgot about that pool. Oh crap. I forgot about the pool. But they shut it to the front door. Inside. Oh, are you turning off? Is electricity still on in here? I don't think so. Well, guys, I'm home. You see this, right? OMG. Wind so strong. Plus a tree knocked this wooden plank down. Damn. God. I'm surprised. My pool's not overflowing yet. My pool's not overflowing yet. So yeah. Yeah, what? What stuff? Wait, what? So my house is basically okay. My house is basically okay. But leave it.
What a pool.
Oh, that's open.
Yo, there's dirt all over my pool. What the
Duh, it's raining. There's a hurricane blowing things. Duh. Like dumb. Be quiet, kid.
As soon as I came out, I looked through the window.
So yeah, basically that's what happened. So yeah. Oh damn, god damn. Okay, so I'm in my home right now. About to go back over there to my friend's house, and look, my brother's bed is all wet. Yeah, there's a hole right there. There's like a thing, whatever, something happened right here. But you see, when you go up, dang, you see these air bubbles and stuff, water bubbles. And yeah, look at all this. Ugh. 2 patches. Ugh. Disgusting. So this is my brother's bed. My bed is alright. Alright, let me get it higher up. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. So disgusting. Y'all see that? There's a spider. I really don't give 0 F to it. Oh god. Ugh. But there's another spider. But look at this. Ugh. I'm done with looking at these. I'm going down. Ugh. Floor is wet and stuff. So yeah, this is just ew. Damn. Alright guys, today's a new day, and look what happened. Yesterday, my shutters fall out. So yeah, you're gonna take a look at the back. Stuff happens. We have to clean up all this. Oh god, almost fall. See? This happened. Wow. Lock this plant. Basically, that's it. So wow. So yesterday that's when the struggles occurred. Today is a different day. The reason why I'm doing this today instead of yesterday is because my phone died and stuff. You know? They try to catch water. What the hell? Look at the dog trying to catch water. No.